Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to use Hugging Face Transformer library to caption the images in just 4 lines of code in Python. So these are the 3 images which will be used for captioning. So first you need to install the Transformer library. So type pip install Transformer in your terminal. So this will take some time for installing. I have already installed the library. Create a Python file. First we need to import the module. From transformer import pipeline. We need to initialize the model. So image to text equals to pipeline. Then what's the task? Task is image to text. And what's the model name? Model name is NLP connect /vit-gpt2-image captioning. Then we need to store the output of the model res variable. Res equals to image to text and the image path. So I'm passing cycling.jpg. So this is the image, man standing near a cycle. So you can print the result. If I run the code, when you run the code for the first time, it will take some time. It will install a model of approximately 1 GB of size, so it may take some time. Yeah, so this is the output. A man riding a bike on the top of a mountain. So it's almost looks like that. You can change the image path here. I'll pass next image, man riding horse. So this is how the image looks. So here we can change the output. So this is just a list containing a dictionary. So just we can take the first element and use the key to print the output. So generated text is the key of the dictionary, which contains the image caption. If I run the code, I'll only see the image caption, not a list containing a dictionary. It will take some time here. So as you can see here, a man riding a horse on the top of a lake is the output. So it looks like a man riding a horse on the top of a lake. You can change the image path here, giving rowing boat, which is just a man rowing a boat. Okay, so I run the code now. Here I can see a boat is in the middle of the ocean. It looks somewhat like a boat in the middle of the ocean. So this is how you can use Hugging Face Transformer library to caption an image in just 4 lines of code.